Now Murray's got it. Murray's been shooting well in February. Launches, got it. Murray shooting 53% sports and 9 news. Murray tries another three. That's good too. Now Jokic, Murray, Pickett, and Charlotte. Murray's wide open for three. And he buried.
Nobody. The Nuggets 13 assists on 16 made field goals.
Murray, yes! Murray. Tough shot on balance. He gets another one. Breaks to 54, 1:20 to go here in the second quarter. First Bank halftime report is coming up. Murray launches. Yes! Murray, that last one a three, Scott? Yeah. Murray again. For CB. Murray missed Jokic. Murray in on Simons. Little fall away. That's good. 55.